This tutorial is RAM Cleaner Apple iOS iPhone online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Open up the settings on your iPhone or iOS device, and under the search bar on the top hand screen, type in the following: Assistive Touch, which should look like this. It's the first option. Click on it, make sure it is on or enabled. As you can see, the option will turn color green. And now basically you want to click on the circle icon and click on device, the top right hand screen, and then click and hold down lock screen, which is on the top left hand screen, for 2 seconds. Now basically how we're going to clear RAM, I know you're probably asking how is this possible. Don't click slide the power off, or don't click cancel. Click on here again, or the assistive touch, click on device, and then you want to click and hold down home on the bottom hand screen for 2 seconds, and this will clear your RAM because it will be leading you to the home screen. As you can see, boom, the RAM has been cleared. The second way to do this is to basically download this application right here on the App Store on your iOS or iPhone device, Mem Clean, or Memory Cleaner, because, well, you guessed it, it's going to clean out the RAM or memory on your iPhone iOS device completely for free. Click the rocket icon, and as you can see, it's now cleaning the memory or RAM. Now you successfully cleared out or cleaned your RAM on Apple iOS iPhone device completely for free. Again, if you found value, drop a like, share the video, comment down below.